Welcome. Today I'm going to show people how to fabricate piece by Mastercam. So at first we are going to design this piece by SolidWorks. As you see here, we have different faults, and now we open Mastercam. At first we are going to change setting configuration, metric. Okay, so then open. Go to open. I'm going to choose the piece that we are going to fabricate. So his name is Austin. Okay, waiting for a few seconds. So, okay. Machine type, lathe, default. Open the properties, file, tool setting. I'm going to take all this option. Then I'm going to set stock setup, properties, changing the axis Z plus Z. So we change the dimension. Use margins. Right margins are going to take 2. Okay. Now we are going to the second properties. From stock, position from stock. Gap length 20, 25. Okay. Okay. So we see here. Now we are going to Toolpath, rough. Okay. We are going to select the shining 2 point. The first is here, and the second is here. Okay. Now we are going to select the tool, rough right. Okay. Rough parameters. We are going to change the depth of cut to, and the stock recognition. Use the stock for outer boundary. Okay, as you see here, this is the toolpath. Now we're going to see the simulation. At first we decrease the speed, then we see here. So now we're going to use toolpaths facing. Select the tools. Search here, rough face right. Okay. Parameters. Okay. The simulation. Very good. So select geometry, and here we take the place where the tools will did the facing. Okay. Now we are going to see the simulation. Decrease the speed. Very good. Uppercut amount to eliminate any problem in the center of the piece. So Okay, Toolpath. Now we are going to finishing, Toolpath, finish, 2 point, selecting the 2 point, chaining, select the tools, finish right, okay. Now I'm going to see the simulation again. This is a rough facing, and this is the finish. So I'm going to Toolpath's groove, chain, okay. Now we select 2 points, these and these, okay. Select the tool, the same thing for every operation, facing or rough or groove, the same thing. So this is the simulation. Finishing, and this is the groove. Very good.